Fix: Windows was unable to complete the format, USB and SD card. Open PowerShell as administrator. When user account control windows pop-up appear, click the Yes button. Type the following command and press Enter to identify the USB drive you want to repair. Type the following command and make sure to change 1 to the disk number of the drive you want to repair and press Enter to erase the drive. Type Y to confirm that you want to wipe the specified drive and press Enter. Type the following command to create a new partition using the NTFS file system and assign a name for the USB drive, and press Enter. In the command, make sure to change 1 to the disk number of the drive you want to repair, and change myUSB to the name you want to use for the storage. Type the following command to assign a drive letter to the USB drive and press Enter. In the command, change 1 to the disk number of the drive you want to repair, and change G to the letter you want to assign to the storage. Once you complete the steps, and you should now be able to access and store data on the removable drive.